Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the best electric guitars for beginners in 2025. Picking your first electric guitar can feel overwhelming with all the options out there. Different styles, brands, features, and price points. We've sifted through the noise to bring you 4 top contenders that offer a great balance of playability, quality, and affordability. We'll break down what makes each one stand out, who it's best suited for, and what you can expect in terms of features and performance. Our goal is to make this decision-making process easier for you. So, if you're ready to find your first or next electric guitar, stick around. Let's get started. And as always, the links of all products in the video are in the description. These links will give you the best prices, so make sure that you use them. First up is the STRICH Electric Guitar Beginner Kit, priced at $159.99. This kit is designed to offer everything a beginner needs to start their musical journey. This kit includes a 39-inch full-size electric guitar with an SSS pickup configuration, which stands for single coil, single coil, single coil. This setup offers a versatile range of tones, making it suitable for various music genres. The guitar features a solid body, providing a robust and durable build. This is particularly good for long-term technique development, as it can withstand rigorous practice sessions. The kit also includes a 5-watt by 2 amp, perfect for home practice. This amp is compact yet powerful enough to deliver clear sound. Essential accessories like a gig bag are included to protect your guitar when you're on the go. Additionally, a digital tuner, capo, strap, extra strings, cable, and picks are all included, ensuring you have everything you need to start playing immediately. This comprehensive approach makes the STRICH kit particularly appealing for absolute beginners, as it removes the hassle of buying accessories separately. The focus here is on providing a functional and encouraging first step into the world of electric guitars. The solid body construction suggests a decent level of sustain and durability, which is crucial for developing a good sound. The SSS pickup configuration gives you access to iconic tones from bright and crisp to warm and mellow, helping you train your ear to different tonal characteristics and nuances. Ultimately, the STRICH Electric Guitar Beginner Kit is all about value and convenience, offering a well-rounded package. It's for the person who wants to minimize hassle and maximize the chances of getting started quickly and enjoyably. While seasoned players might look for more specific features tailored to their advanced needs, for someone taking their first steps into the electric guitar world, this kit provides a remarkably complete and affordable package. With everything included, you can start playing right out of the box, making it an excellent choice for beginners. Next, we have the Donner 30-inch Kids Electric Guitar Beginner Kit, priced at $129.99. This kit is specifically tailored for children, with a 30-inch TL-style mini electric guitar. The reduced body size and shorter scale length make it easier for small hands to play. This ensures that young learners can comfortably reach all the frets and develop proper playing techniques. The kit includes a small practice amp, a 600D gig bag, a tuner, picks, a cable, a strap, and extra strings. These accessories ensure that the young guitarist has everything they need to start playing immediately. The TL style offers a bright, punchy tone with a simple, robust design. The $129.99 price point makes this an attractive option for parents looking to introduce their child to music. It's a great investment in your child's musical journey. The inclusion of a 600D bag highlights attention to quality, ensuring the guitar is well protected. The overall package is thoughtfully curated to ensure a young beginner has everything they need to start playing right away. The lighter guitar and shorter neck prevent bad habits and ensure productive, pain-free practice time. This is crucial for maintaining a child's interest and enthusiasm in learning the instrument. The Donner 30-inch Kids Electric Guitar Beginner Kit is designed with children's physical needs in mind, offering a fantastic gateway for kids to discover the joy of electric guitar. This kit is not just an instrument, but a doorway to a lifelong passion for music. Now we shift gears with the Vangoa 12-string guitar acoustic electric, priced at $204.99. This guitar is an acoustic electric with 12 strings, aimed at beginner to intermediate players. A 12-string guitar offers a richer, fuller sound, often described as chorus-like. The guitar features a spruce top and a bone nut, suggesting good acoustic quality. The built-in pickup system and preamp allow you to plug it into an amplifier or PA system. The sleek black matte finish adds a modern aesthetic touch. The $204.99 price is reasonable given its features. For beginners, the 12-string can present a steeper learning curve, but the unique sound is worth the effort. The Vangoa 12-string acoustic electric is a versatile instrument that can grow with you as you progress. The spruce top and bone nut contribute to better tonal transfer and sustain. This guitar is for those who want a distinctive, rich 12-string sound and the versatility of an acoustic electric setup. 12. Finally, we have the Fender Squier Debut Series Stratocaster, priced at $127.46. This guitar is an incredible entry point for anyone looking to start their musical journey without breaking the bank. This guitar offers a genuine Fender-designed experience at a remarkably low price point. It's perfect for beginners who want quality without the hefty price tag. Modeled after the legendary Fender Stratocaster, it features a two-color sunburst with a matte finish. This classic look is both stylish and timeless. The inclusion of a 2-year warranty and free lessons adds significant value. These extras ensure that you have support and resources as you learn. The Stratocaster design is known for its comfort and versatility, with an SSS pickup configuration. This setup allows for a wide range of tones, from bright and crisp to warm and mellow. The Squire brand has significantly improved its quality control, offering a guitar that feels like a real Strat. You can trust that each instrument is built to last. The matte finish is preferred by many players for its smooth feel. It not only looks great but also enhances playability. The value proposition here is immense, with the added security of a warranty and learning resources. These features make it an excellent choice for beginners. The Debut series is crafted for those making their first foray into the electric guitar world. It's designed to be user-friendly and accessible. The Fender Squier Debut Series Stratocaster is a fantastic option for any beginner who values brand heritage and a classic design. It combines tradition with modern playability. The price is almost unbelievably low for what's on offer. It's rare to find such quality at this price point. It's a guitar that can take you from your first chords to your first band practice, all while feeling like you're playing a piece of music history. The Fender Squier Debut Series Stratocaster truly stands out in the beginner guitar market. Your first act's making the choice. So there you have it, our top 4 picks for beginner electric guitars in 2025. Each of these has something special to offer, depending on your specific needs and preferences. The most important thing when choosing your first electric guitar is to pick something that excites you and makes you want to play. All the guitars we've talked about today are designed to provide a solid starting point without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more content. Let us know in the comments which of these guitars you're most excited about. See you in the next video.